In this video, we are going to see how to see the supplier return debit note, which is created after the purchase order return. In I am navigate to the invoice screen. Then in description, just enter the return ID. Here you can see our invoice type is purchase return, and you can see the header of our debit note. This is an supplier return debit note. At the bottom side you can see the items which are added for the return, and invoice item type is return raw material good item. Then at the bottom side you can see the transactions of that debit note. To see the PDF, click on PDF template 1. Here you can see the supplier return debit note PDF is displayed over here. Then you can see the items of that invoice.